Do you have any recycling bins that look like this? If so, then you're gonna love today's video because we're gonna take 10 minutes and we're gonna get them looking like brand new again. Let's go. Today was garbage and recycling day at our house. And so I thought, what better day than to clean up our blue bins and our green compost bin because they've been looking pretty disgusting lately. Also, with the weather getting cooler, I don't think I'm gonna be wanting to spray these down for much longer. So I figured today, let's just get it done and get them looking nice and clean. I'm gonna go grab a pair of rubber gloves, a sponge, some warm soapy water, and then take everything to the backyard and get our hose for spraying things off too. Okay, I would say this looks so much better. Look at that. So lovely. Let's go put them back where they belong. We have a great spot for our blue bins right outside the door to our garage, and they're at a really good height for everybody in the family to be able to reach them. Top one we use for our paper recycling, and the bottom one we use for glass, plastic, and any metal. So a couple ways that you can be helping to maintain your recycling bins to look a little cleaner and not get as dirty and disgusting as mine had become is just to make sure you're always rinsing out your containers before putting them in so that you're not spilling food in there accidentally. Also, when using your green compost bin, you can be making sure that you use the bag liners. We've been using our newspapers and flyers to put our compost in, and we just kind of lay it on our counter, dump it in and bundle it up and then put it in our green bin. That's worked pretty well, but I think if we did use the bags, we probably would make sure that things would stay cleaner a little longer. And especially in the nicer weather, it's good to even on a weekly basis, just be doing a quick rinse out with a hose. If it needs a little scrub with some soapy water, that's a great time to do it. But now that the weather's getting cooler, I think that this should last us for the next little while. Now, after putting those blue bins back on the wall, I just looked up to the side and saw our green grocery bins and realized, you know what, those could probably use a good quick little scrub as well. Another example of a 10-minute tidy, just, you know, getting me thinking about a little something extra that I could also just give a little clean. Thank you, 10-minute tidy. You've done it again. If it's been a while since you've cleaned out your blue bins, your green compost bin, or even your grocery bins, then this is your friendly reminder to take 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, and do a quick scrub of them today. Guaranteed you'll be feeling so much better when you go to recycle those things, when you see how nice and clean they are and just well taken care of. I would love to hear if you decided to tackle your recycling bins this week, or if you decided to take 10 minutes to tackle a different area. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, then check out some other 10-minute tidy videos, and you may also like a video like this one down here too.